how do we find a probability? A probability is a fraction that represents the likelihood of an occurrence coming out the way we want it to. If you look at an example like rolling a die, a six-sided cube, there are 6 possible ways it can come out. You can get a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. If the event you want is to get a 3, you look at how many ways you can get a 3 from rolling a single die. Out of the 6 outcomes in the collection of all possibilities, there's only one way you can get a 3. 1 out of 6, or 1/6. That's the probability of getting a 3. The 3 is called an outcome. The collection of all possible outcomes is your event space. A probability is the fraction of the event space that gives you the outcome that you want. Suppose you decide that what you really want is to roll the die and get an even number. Let's look at the event space. 2, 4, and 6 are even numbers. If you look at the fraction of the event space represented by even numbers, that gives you the probability of rolling an even number. What is that probability going to be? That probability is going to be 3 successful outcomes out of 6 possible outcomes in the event space. We could reduce that and say the probability is 1/2. If you'd rather, you could express 1/2 as a percentage and say the probability is 50%. And that is how you compute a probability.